Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Butter, butter, egg. Butter, butter, egg. Butter, butter, egg. Butter, butter, egg.
Mommy, I
Hey.
need an egg.
Listen to me. We're ready? We're ready. Hey, turn her off. Ready?
What's up, guys?
Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Welcome back to another video.
Today we're going to make watermelon drink. Watermelon Kool-Aid.
We're gonna make a watermelon drink. So guys, this right here is from Ariana's garden, and I will put that picture in the beginning of our video.
I
Okay.
it for you, Dad.
So we decided to start a little garden in our backyard, and it was a fun thing at first. But then Ariana watermelon grew, and Aaliyah's pumpkin grew, and Mommy's okra started to grow. So today we are going to. I know I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I know I haven't seen you guys in a long time, but we are going to make a video for you today. Quick and easy watermelon drink. Here we go. Daddy, take over. Our ingredients.
Take
What
over.
am I supposed to do?
Start. So Daddy's going to help me. He's going to help me to mix the drink. So what we're going to do is we have sugar, we have water, we have our Kool-Aid, and we are going to mix our drink. We are going to cut this watermelon that Ariana grew in her garden, and we are going to make a watermelon drink, guys. So excited!
So first we have to take the cover off the knife. You saw me trying to cut that damn thing.
Watch your mouth. Look at that lovely watermelon, guys, that
That's
Ariana grew in her garden. So we'll see this watermelon.
Nice.
Okay.
Now we gotta scoop this out. So
Watch your head. Watch your head. You can't stand here. You gotta let your.
Scoop.
I'm not worried about sugar right now. When you're finished, you'll get sugar. You can't stand here. You gotta let the people see. Come on.
Turn around.
You gotta turn to the side and watch Daddy, okay?
I'm so excited, watch Daddy.
You wanna dig it out?
Yeah.
No, that's not to the side. Come on.
Okay.
Okay.
You dig it out.
And then
I mean Ariana.
Stand next to Daddy. Come on.
Ariana, dig it out.
I just want to.
Here.
That's to the side.
Here.
Mommy, I scoop it out.
Listen, the camera's back there, so you gotta kind of face them.
Gotta turn it this way so they can see what you're doing. Alright? Alright guys, let's zoom in so we can see what Ariana is doing.
Looks like we're making a watermelon lantern. Oh yeah, I want to scoop it out.
When it's your turn, Daddy will help you, Aaliyah. Just hang on. So guys, you basically get the picture. What we're going to do is we are going to scoop this watermelon out. We're going to make our drink, and we are going to come back and show you what it looks like. All right? Aaliyah wants a little turn, scooping it out. Give your sister one scoop.
One more. Hi.
Good job. Aaliyah, your turn.
Be careful.
Scoop once. Alright, now throw it in there.
This is hard one. Oh, juice.
Okay, dump it in there.
Tee
Good job. Alright.
All right, guys. We'll be back. We'll be back shortly. Stop. All right, so Daddy and Ariana making the juice right now. So we need to tell the person the ingredients we're using. We're using water.
I'm gonna try it.
And how much sugar are we using?
One.
One sugar.
Two.
Daddy, how much sugar are we using?
No, two. No, two.
One and
Half cup.
a half cup of sugar.
I want two.
How many bottles of water?
2.
2 bottles. Everything is 2. 2 pints.
Splashing.
2 pints water. Oh boy. And then will you put lemonade in there? Alright guys, we're gonna get this sorted out and then we'll be right back.
Go away, silly monsters, go away, go away.
Alright guys, see? Quick and easy. You wanna eat how much? Ariana is always eating the products. See guys, so we took ice and we put ice in there. You put the, no, can't sing that. You put the ice in the watermelon. Nothing. Okay guys, we put ice in the watermelon, okay? And then we have our drink. Ariana, you want to pour the drink?
Yes.
Oh, Ariana's already here stuffing her face as usual. Come on. Right? Okay, so Ariana is going to pour the drink.
We put the drink, we put the drink, we put the drink, we put the drink, we put the drink.
Come on, carefully.
Careful, careful, careful.
Daddy will tell you when to stop.
I need to stop.
Ah, Daddy, that's good, right, guys? A little bit more. Daddy made a boo-boo.
Looks good.
All right, guys. So now we're going to add the lime.
Now we need the vodka.
Yes. Oh, guys. Ooh, good idea, right? We can add the vodka, not for kids. Okay. All right, guys. So there you go. So we are going to add a little lime on the top, and then that will be it. All right, guys. There we go. We finished making what? Watermelon drink. Watermelon lemonade.
No, watermelon Kool-Aid.
Watermelon Kool-Aid drink. All right. And guys, if you're an adult, you can add alcohol to it. If not, no, not for kids. Not for kids. All right, guys. There we go. All right. So did you learn anything? We eat what we grow. Okay. So the whole point of this video was not so much how to make, like, you know, a recipe kind of thing, but it was actually the fact that the kids grew their own fruits in the backyard. Is it fruits? Yeah, fruit in the backyard. And they...
Pumpkin is not a fruit.
Watermelon is not a fruit?
No, pumpkin is not a fruit.
Okay, fruit and vegetable in the backyard. And so they learned how to use it to make their own food. Not just to go to the supermarket and spend their own money and buy stuff, but learn how to use their hands and eat what they grow. All right, guys. Peace out. Bye. All right, guys. There you have it. We are done with our video. A quick, nice, short one. I promise I'll try my best to make some more video for you guys, but mommy is a busy mommy. Okay? All right. Thank you. Peace out. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.